To make a Chime account, start by going to the Chime website or downloading the Chime mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have accessed the Chime platform, click on the Sign Up button to begin the account creation process. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password for your account, making sure it is strong and unique to ensure the security of your account. Next, you will need to provide some personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. This information is required to verify your identity and comply with banking regulations. You will also need to provide a social security number or individual taxpayer identification number to complete the verification process. After providing the necessary information, you will be asked to link a funding source to your Chime account, such as a debit card or bank account. This will allow you to fund your Chime account and start using it for transactions. You can also set up direct deposit to have your paycheck deposited directly into your Chime account. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will receive a Chime debit card in the mail, which you can use to make purchases and withdraw cash from ATMs. You can also use the Chime mobile app to manage your account, track your spending, and receive notifications about transactions. It is essential to note that Chime is a mobile-only bank, which means you will need a smartphone to access and manage your account. Additionally, Chime accounts are insured by the FDIC, which means your deposits are protected up to $250,000. To get the most out of your Chime account, make sure to take advantage of the mobile app's features, such as real-time transaction alerts and instant transfers. You can also use the Chime Savings Account feature to automatically save a portion of your income. Overall, making a Chime account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and taking advantage of the mobile app's features, you can enjoy a convenient and secure banking experience with Chime.